you want to kill it.
Yeah. Brady, you want to help Kendall?
Come here, come help me.
It's like Santa Claus. It's fat in the middle and tall.
This heel's got her all messed up.
Make sure this is what we want.
I did.
You sure?
See me in the way.
This one's easy.
Go help her, Brady.
This is the first time Kendall's been able to do it by herself.
This one's soft.
Good.
She's tired. Look at
Yeah, make sure it don't fall on Brady going downhill. I knew Brady wasn't gonna like that.
What was that noise?
You got it almost. A little bit more.
That's so funny.
Go in there, just do it real fast and hard and sweat in it. Put your back
I
in.
was doing that.
Back in.
One,
There you go.
no!
Get up here and help her, Brady. Your hair exercise.
Keep going. 100 more times. Ready? We'll count.
1, 2, 3. Come on, fast. 6.
Oh, it's damaging her hand.
Come on, Kendall, you almost got it. Hurry, this is your first time you ever been able to do it.
Brady.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on, Kendall.
Got it. Keep going. You're almost there. I know. Got like a half inch.
Hey, Brady. Brady, where you going? Kendall's almost got 3 foot.
Timber! Yay!
Brady, come on. Look. Look. Yay.
Nice job, Kendall.
I did.
Kendall, you tore it up.
You're going to have to cut some of that
We
off
gotta
anyway to
put
get
it
it
in a stand anyway. It's fine.
Here you go, son. How much was it last year? $33. Or $38.
How much is this shit?
36. Alright.
Hey, Miss Rady Roo. Hey, Rady. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
First time.
I didn't see it last. You gonna drag it out?
Drag it. No, let's all drag it. Because it's heavy.
Watch out behind you. She's tough.
Don't get sweaty.
Don't sweat.
Rady Roo, where you going?
Kendall, ready? You want you a tray? You want you a tray?
Get ready a small one.
Let's just cut 2 or 3 of them down. Just for
She didn't like that sound.
let's just here, I'm gonna cut her one right here. There. There's ready a little bitty one I cut.
Hey, look, here's your little tray. You got one slide over there.
Brady.
Go get your tray.
She's high stepping it now.
I know.
Walk a minute ago. Now she's gonna run away.
I got that on video.
What?
Kendall cutting down the tree.
Oh, you did?
I don't know if I can. Maybe I can email. I bet I can email it.
Yeah, that's cute.
I can email it to you.
What was it?
Look at Rady.
What was it, Kendall?
She's scared.
Kendall, what was it? Oh, that's a chipmunk.
Into the water.
Oh, that's a frog.
Put him in it.
I know, they
They make that noise when they jump in the water.
That scares me worse right there.
Yeah, me
I
too.
don't know which way he's shooting. It sounds like he's shooting that way. But
Yeah, that's not good. Is it?
Uh-uh.
Really want this tree.
He killed it, didn't he?
Daddy, she wants this one.
well, come on. Let's go see if they'll drag it and fix ours.
Come on.
Here, come on, I'll get you one.
Where's your smile? You don't have a smile today. You look drunk. Open your eyes. You have to open your eyes. Look.
It's goofy.
Let me smell. Let me smell.
That thing ain't but 8 years old, man.
It was I think it's a nice tree. The needles on it, like I said, it looked like snowflakes.
Yeah,
You know.
it does, don't it? Odd looking.
It smells good. You're ready.
Right.
Ready, Roo.
Here, you want this tree? I'll be your tree.
All right, you'll
Cut that off. Smell it fall over.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, stop me on this one.
Hey, Kendall.
Ooh, did you buy that?
Come on, we're gonna go around.